Today we're here at Legacy Farm, and I'm really excited to show you some of the best practices and helpful ways to think about placemaking, both for plants and people. We thought it might be important to have a place for some people to sit, a place for some people to walk around within the space, and then also some plants that people could identify and engage with. After thinking about that, we took to paper and we wrote down those things that were important, and then we started to draw it to scale. After drawing it to scale, we were able to pinpoint, where's the lighting happening? Where is the soil and its health? What are we gonna need to get it to where it's gonna be healthy and ready to receive those plants? And what plant sizes and heights are gonna really balance each other well? I think one of the most gratifying things about creating a plan is that it gives you room and freedom to make changes, to add on. Everything that we actually planned for, we did. And it was, one, really empowering and encouraging, but I think also we figured out, here's some other things that we're missing or some other things that would really add to the garden. And because we had things in place already, we were able to figure out how much more space do we have to work with. Now we want to continue to add not only native elements to this garden, but also herbal. So today we have some catmint that we are planting, and then we also have a native plant in the milkweed family that we are planting to support our ecosystem. Milkweed, Asclepias, is really important to beneficial insects, mainly the monarch butterfly. It's the only host plant for its larvae, and we're gonna plant that today. When you're taking it out of your bucket, be gentle and make sure that the roots are not confined and bound up. Now hold it up. Make sure you put some dirt around as you're bringing the dirt in. All sides, real even. When you're thinking about a plan, I would encourage you, don't be so intimidated about the work. It's not rocket science. It's just taking the dreams that you have in your own mind for what you want to see and making it come to life. And you can do it.